ONFLEEK, which is like, oh, like people say like, oh my God, your hairstyle is on fleek.
Like on point, on point.
Tanmay, you're on fleek, baby.
Yeah.
Applause break उठा लिया बच्चन साहब ने. Tanmay, that cringe moment of lit with Amitabh Bachchan. Can you share that experience? That was hilarious as fuck. Oh man. Let's react to that, dude. Guys, let's react to that right now.
Amit ji, you told me us the story on the Cleanathon 3 or 4 years ago. There was a time when वो गाड़ी जा रही थी आपके सामने और किसी ने शीशा नीचे किया और कचरा फेंका and he got out of the car. आप वो कहानी सुना दीजिए.
तो हमारे सामने गाड़ी थी, शीशा नीचे हुआ, प्लास्टिक की बोतल फेंक दी बाहर. मैं उतरा, मैं गया, मैंने कहा भाई साहब ये बाहर मत फेंकिए, इसको आपको अंदर रखना चाहिए. वो 2-3 मिनट देखता रहा, फिर कहा सर कैन आई हैव योर ऑटोग्राफ प्लीज. इसके ऊपर यदि अगर आप चाहें तो कुछ बना सकते हैं.
So I'll tell you what happened. I was at this event. They called me because Amitabh Bachchan. Of course I went there. I don't know why me and Kaneez were called. I think हमें ऐसे सब events पे बस इसलिए बुलाते कि दो कॉमेडियन आए ना, इनको बस बिठा दो, कुछ ना कुछ तो फनी निकल ही जाएगा. बच्चन सर, I with all due respect, I love you and you're an amazing person. पर मैं कैसे बनाऊं? Story is nothing. On the spot कैसे jokes को time लगता है बनने को.
It almost feels like बचपन में जब गेस्ट आते थे घर पे तो बच्चों को आगे करा के बेटा डांस करके दिखाओ, वैसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है मुझे. I feel like I'm disappointing everyone right now. But I feel like
Yeah, see, I addressed it. Tanmay, can you just do stand up? Tanmay, just do stand up. Just joke सुनाओ बच्चन सर को joke सुनाओ.
Mr. Bachchan could use the teen lingo to say a few sentences like a clean India is lit. Like I feel like if you said this, lit is like a term that young people use nowadays.
I know. It's very cringy. Oh, it will be funny to make Amitabh Bachchan say funny words. पर मैं अमिताभ बच्चन के मुंह से निबाज तो नहीं बोल सकता ना बैंचोद. Can I tell Amitabh Bachchan say Nibaz don't throw trash on? I can't make him say that. So I was like, basic क्या? What can I do that's basic? जो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि बच्चन साहब आप एक बोलोगे तो टाइटल में आ जाएगा अमिताभ बच्चन says teen lingo. So मैं लिटरली सोच रहा हूँ कि कंटेंट कैसे निकालूं. भाई ऑन द स्पॉट बोला है हमको करने के लिए, हमको बस बुला दिया और बोला कि कर दो, बस बिठा दिया, कुछ फनी कर दो. तो मैं क्या करूं, हो गया मेरे दिमाग में जो आया मैंने कर दिया. I know it was cringe, but I couldn't help it. On the spot जो निकल सकता था वो निकल गया.
You said a clean India is lit. It would really get through.
Lit
Is lit.
मानी बिजली लग गई उसको.
Yes.
CC Pranav Roy likes it. Pranav Roy is like, oh, what a teen youths. अरे इसको क्या पता कि इंटरनेट पे नॉर्मी और डैंक और ये सब होता है. How he doesn't know. For them, this for NDTV, this is amazing. NDTV वहां पे अभी तक वो लोग मिलेनियल बोलते फिर रहे.
तो ये क्यों कहते हैं सर? Why do they say this?
सर बच्चे क्या कहते हैं और क्यों कहते हैं ये किसको पता.
हमसे क्यों बुलवा रहे हैं? I agree. क्यों बुलवाया तूने तब में? क्यों बुलवाया? He's Amitabh Bachchan. He's the coolest mofo in India.
मुझको समझ आना चाहिए ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
Lit का मतलब कि
It's like bright. It's
like bright, मतलब
हो गया.
आग
अच्छा.
लग गई, मतलब amazing.
अच्छा.
Lit का मतलब bright होता है. This is getting worse every second.
स्वच्छ क्या कहा आपने अभी?
A clean India is lit.
Clean India is.
I'm trying so hard to sell this. I just wanted to finish this panel and go home. मुझे actually एक Instagram story करना था बच्चन साहब के साथ, जो मैंने कर दिया.
Listen to this. Clean India is lit.
For the segment producer, this is gold. That's what I was just. देख मैं एक content producer हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि यहाँ पे क्या content अच्छा निकलेगा. Cringe आपके लिए cringe है और मेरे लिए cringe है. पर ये बिका और ये चला. You have to admit that much. इतना तो credit दो यार chat. Fuck, this is the thing. Amitabh Bachchan is such a genius. Like I think he recognized. I think what happened is बच्चन साहब को game realize हो गया. This is what a great improviser does, right? उनको game realize हो गया कि अच्छा ये मैं अगर बोलूंगा तो इससे applause break मिलेगा. And he did it. And he just naturally performed it. और applause break मिल गया.
Asking Amit ji for the last 2 or 3 cleanathons with that throwing out the bottle story is that what if everyone starts throwing out bottles शायद अमिताभ बच्चन आ जाए. It's a serious concern.
See, he's been holding on to this joke for Vikram. I know you've been holding on to this joke for at least 20 minutes. I know. A clean India is lit was at least better than this.
Yeah.
Well, that was new for me also. The lit.
See, this lady is like a very serious professional. She works in the environmental sector. I feel bad that in NDTV's pursuit of content, she also had to be subjected to this. They're all like, चल क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? अच्छा, lit बोलना है? अच्छा चलो कर लेते. I'm sorry, ma'am. You deserve better.
I thought it used to be dope at some point, but was that
If I am boomer, what is Vikram Chandra? He's super boomer.
Clean India is wicked.
Wicked.
I don't know what to say. If you think I am boomer, look what is happening here.
Sure.
5 years.
I feel
My voice is getting shrill because I'm like, okay, और कितना content निचोड़ूंगा मैं इसमें से?
like everyone's ages are showing right now.
I had to say it. I wanted to be like, सारे बुड्ढे stage पे है, but I didn't say it. I just went like a polite way of saying everyone's ages are showing right now.
I feel like lit is also old right now. Like new term.
I had to say it because I knew as soon as I said lit, I was like, this is very old. I'm going to get destroyed online. So I addressed it. Like, lit bhi purana hai, guys. I don't want to misrepresent. मैं क्या अमिताभ बच्चन के सामने मैं क्या बोलूंगा? मैं क्या मटके में फंसा हुआ लंड ऐसे सब बात करूंगा मैं? कैरी और हमारी स्ट्रीम जैसे बात करूंगा मैं? Of course not. I was like, क्या यहाँ पे मैं? I had to play my audience.
3 seconds ago, more terminology has come in and we are now outdated.
What is the new word that we can construct if lit is out of fashion?
I feel like there's one more new one, which is cleanliness is on fleek.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, Bachchan Saab put me on the spot. He was like, what is another word? And I was like, fuck, lit, fuck. What is the new thing? Fuck. And I just came up with on fleek.
On fleek is a new one. You guys have
Yeah.
heard of on
On
fleek?
how much?
Even that, she's like, no, it's a little old. I feel like
On fleek.
on fleek.
Yes, it is old, Tanmay. It's very, you also knew it was old. You also knew it was old.
Fleek.
ONFLEEK, which is like, oh, like people say like, oh my god, your hairstyle is on fleek.
Like on point. On point.
On
Tanmay,
point.
you're on fleek, baby.
Yeah.
Applause break उठा लिया बच्चन साहब ने. See, I knew it. He realized the game. Bachchan sir realized the game and he was like, मैं line मार लूंगा, applause break उठा लूंगा, content मिल गया है. Okay, it wasn't as bad. To get Amitabh Bachchan to say that, I think that takes something. Here's the best part. Bachchan sir got so into it. He's a genius. He got so into it, he uploaded his Instagram after that day. मैंने और बच्चन साहब ने एक Instagram stories की थी. मेरे को story ढूंढना पड़ेगा. मैं ढूंढ के निकालता हूँ. Caption देखो इसका. On fleek, baby! On fleek! देखो. He actually went ahead and he put on Instagram. He used these terms. On fleek. You look like sauce. He did it. You can't hold this against him. He's cool. He did it. You are lit. You have to appreciate that he went with the joke, man. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like it. On fleek lit. That's pretty cool. He's a crowd pleaser. Yeah, he knows how to please an audience, dude. He is so good. He's a genius. So all in all, not too bad. All in all, I would say, now if I meet Bachchan sir, at least he will remember me. At least he will कि हाँ ये वही मोटा है जिसने ऐसे सब अजीब words सिखाए थे मुझे. Anyway, he's cool. I really enjoyed it. मुझे बहुत सारे movie stars ने reply किया था when I put up stories with him. Because for a lot of them, this was like, oh my god, you managed to get Bachchan Saab to do this. That's so cool. This is Ranveer case पे आया था. एक second. Okay, देख लो.
Hey guys, I'm with the legend one and only, and I've just taught him.
And Tanmay is on fleek.
I'm on fleek, and we're all lit.
We're on lit.
You have to admit that's pretty cool. And if you enjoyed this video, then do drop a like or comments में लिखो Tanmay is lit. Actually मत लिखो. In hindsight, don't do it. सॉरी अब बाय